Hey, what's up? So I am going to do an unboxing of some Swarovski crystals that I got in the mail that are authentic, straight from Austria. And I'm really excited about this because I'm making some headgear that's encrusted with crystals, and these are so sparkly and pretty. I'm just so excited. So stay tuned. Oh, hey, thanks for stopping by. Today's very special. I went to the mail and I got my crystals in the mail straight from Austria. So we are going to unbox them. So I heard a rumor that these flat back Swarovski crystals are going to be, I guess, not produced as much, which is not cool because I am using them for a lot of different projects. I have some flat backs already. I keep them stored in these little plastic containers. So I have a lot of these left in these little containers, and I glue these onto various garments and stuff like that. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to open these up. Okay, are you guys ready? These are going to be so pretty. So on the package there are 144. These are 8 by 8 millimeter. I hope. That's what I ordered. So let's open these up. They are officially sealed and made in Austria. So let's get them open. Oh my goodness. Such a cute official box. Oh my goodness. So official. Oh my goodness. Just, I don't know many. Oops. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, well there they are. I, of course, stupidly opened them completely wrong. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to like gently put these over here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. And I opened those wrong too. Oh my goodness. Well, this was an unboxing disaster. I'm just gonna pluck one and we're just gonna take a look at it. Oh my god, look how beautiful that is. You guys. Is the light catching that? I mean, hello. These are beautiful. I think I'm gonna cry, you guys. I mean, just, whoops. Well, of course that had to happen. I hope I didn't damage it. Well, we'll take another one and we'll be super careful. I mean, that is just, wow, these are beautiful. I just cannot even believe it. So, yeah. When you unbox them, be really careful. They come in these little trays and I had no idea. I feel so dumb, but I just wanted to take a moment to show the unboxing of these beautiful creatures, these 8 by 8 millimeter flat back authentic Swarovski crystals straight from Austria. I really hope it's not true that these are being slowed down in production because I intend to do some really beautiful things with these. So I'm going to go ahead and individually put these each back in their little hole where they're nice and safe. And thanks so much for watching, guys.